how to convert your Facebook profile into a Facebook page. So hello guys, welcome back to my another new video. So if you want to convert your any Facebook profile or your Facebook account into a Facebook page, then how can you convert? By using professional mode. So this professional mode is a feature of Facebook from where you can easily convert your any normal Facebook account or Facebook profile into a Facebook page. Same like any Facebook page, you can use all those features of Facebook page from this professional mode. But in many Facebook accounts, this professional mode option is not available there. So how can you request for this professional mode feature into your Facebook account also, and how can you convert your normal Facebook account into a Facebook page? In a Facebook account, you can easily experience same like Facebook page. So how to convert your Facebook account into Facebook page? By using this professional mode feature. And if this feature is not available, then how can you get this feature? This also I'm going to teach you in my today's video. So before we get started, if you are new in this channel, then please share, subscribe and like for this kind of videos. So without wasting any time, let's move to the trick. So friends, to convert your any normal Facebook account into any Facebook page, so how can you convert? Just open your Facebook application and move to a profile. So this is a profile, for example. So now just you have to click on this three dots icon. Okay, three dots, just tap on this three dots, and after you click on this three dots, now you will see one option here, turn on the professional mode. So this is one feature of Facebook Meta, from where you can easily convert your normal profile into a professional Facebook page. So how can you turn on? So just you have to click on this mode, turn on professional mode, just tap on this, and now you have to click on this turn on. Okay, simply tap on this turn on option. Okay, you have to scroll down and then just go back and I refresh this. Okay, and after I refresh this once, so now you can see this profile has been converted into Facebook page. You can see here all your Facebook friend has been converted into your followers. So 2k friends into 2k followers. So this is similar to a Facebook page. This is the official trick to convert your normal profile into a professional profile. So now the work has been done, guys. This is the process to convert a profile into a Facebook page. But in case if this professional mode option is not here, okay, suppose if this professional mode is not here, so how can you get this feature? So simply what you can do is you can report your problem to Facebook. So how can you report? Just click on these three lines and scroll down, and you will see one option here, help and support. Just click on this help and support, and then now you can see report a problem. So if this feature is not available or not showing in your Facebook account, then simply you have to report your problem. Just click on this report a problem, report a technical problem. So now click on this report problem. Here are two options, include and don't include. Just you have to click on this don't include and scroll down, and you will see one option, settings, and now you can see this send report. So describe the issue. So what is the issue with you in your Facebook ID? You have to describe. So if you don't know what to write here, just you can go to my description box, and there you will see one message. So this is the process, guys, to write this problem to Facebook team. Hi Facebook team, I want to change my profile into professional mode, but this option is not showing. So this whole you can simply copy and paste it from my given description. And guys, you have to fill your profile link also. Regards your name, your Facebook profile name, and profile URL or link also you have to copy and paste here. And just I again open Facebook, and simply you have to paste this. So in this profile link you have to fill up your Facebook profile link, and in this your name you have to enter your name, guys, not my name. And after you just fill up this whole from my description, now you will see upload from phone. So here you have to upload one photo of your problem. You can just screenshot of your problem. Turn on professional mode option is not there. That screenshot you can take and simply attach with this file. Just click on this upload from phone, select that screenshot, and you can send this report, this your problem, to Facebook team. So just you have to click on this send to Facebook. Just tap on this option, guys. So this is the easy process guys to convert your Facebook profile into Facebook page. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe. So bye bye guys.